Hello guys and welcome back to another video, and today I am at Filton Abbey Wood where you're going to be seeing services from Great Western Railway and CrossCountry. So yeah, let's get into the video. And passing through now is some freight. We have 66053 and 66152. Arriving now is a Great Western Railway Class 166 on an ECS. And it is 166215. Arriving in now is the 1048 Great Western Railway service from Southampton Central to Great Malvern. And it is 165128. Departing at now is the 1048 Great Western Railway service from Southampton Central to Great Malvern. Departing out now is the 1053 Great Western Railway service to Bristol Temple Meads, starting here at Filton Abbey Wood. And this one is 166215. Arriving in now is the 1107 Great Western Railway service from Portsmouth Harbour to Cardiff Central. And it is 166213. Departing out now is the 1107 Great Western Railway service from Portsmouth Harbour to Cardiff Central. And arriving in now is the 1107 Great Western Railway service from Cardiff Central to Portsmouth Harbour. The front is 165135 and we will get the rear as it departs. Departing out now is the 1107 Great Western Railway service from Cardiff Central to Portsmouth Harbour. The rear is 166220. Arriving in now is the 1117 Great Western Railway service, terminating here at Filton Abbey Wood from Bristol Temple Meads. And it is 165109. Departing out now is 165109 on an ECS. And this train will just depart out from platform 1, go up the line a little bit, move over to the other line and come back in. Sorry, it will depart platform 4, not platform 1, it will depart platform 4, go up the line a little bit, change over to the other track and arriving on platform 3 to form another service, starting here at Filton Abbey Wood. And arriving in over here is the 1118 Great Western Railway service from Gloucester to Weymouth. And it is 165101. Departing out now is the 1118 Great Western Railway service from Gloucester to Weymouth. Passing through now is a cross-country service from Newcastle to Bristol Temple Meads. That was 220.012 and 220.030. And that is going to be the final train in this video. So if you have enjoyed this video, then please leave a like down below and subscribe to my channel to see more videos just like this one, and comment down below any stations you want me to visit. So yeah, thank you very much for watching this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye guys.